Okay. See a lot of...
It's a lot of bushes.
Bushes, yeah.
There is a house behind these.
Oh, good, good. Soffits look good. The siding actually looks pretty good.
Not too shabby, right?
Yeah.
So it's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, about 1,000 square feet.
Okay.
It's currently listed at $35,000,
Okay.
but it's been on the market for a little while, so you know how I do.
Yeah, I would definitely trim off
Exactly.
from that.
Because
for
it
sure.
does need some love.
Okay.
So you ready to navigate through the jungle?
Yeah.
Okay, you may want to go like sideways.
We've seen much worse jungles
I
than
have
this.
seen some jungle. This is pretty thick growth, though.
It's not so bad, but
They
this porch,
smell really good.
right?
Oh, wow, this is nice.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
I see why it was listed for 35.
Wow, this is vastly different than what we're used to. I like this a lot already. You can actually see what the house looks like inside, which is very different from what we're used to. Normally there's lots and lots of trash and junk everywhere and walls falling down. I actually really like it. The layout's cute. I love the arch. I like the original molding up top. That's fun. I like the chandelier. I don't think we can save it.
Don't.
Keith, do you really like that chandelier?
I actually do.
I mean, this dining room
Yeah.
is a
This
nice
is
size.
massive, yeah. You can have a big table, you have sideboard.
Yep.
Plenty of space for everything. I love it. Ooh, it's so little.
It is really small. How would you lay this out?
Why you always put me on the spot like
You
that?
can take 5 seconds to think about it
Thank you,
because you
Shay.
just walked into this
Thank you.
kitchen.
You're so reasonable.
Okay, now what would you do with the kitchen? No, no, no.
It is gonna be a trick actually to figure out where everything is gonna go without it feeling overly crowded.
So there's 2 bedrooms. You can fit a full-size bed in here technically,
Yeah.
right?
Technically.
Let's see.
Technically.
1, 2, 3, 4,
You're gonna fail the sobriety
5,
test.
6, 7. Well, yeah, it will be
It's
kind of
tight.
tight.
Yeah.
Bathroom's nasty.
I like it. I mean, it's not necessarily big, but it could be
Big
cute.
enough.
So here's bedroom number 2, which is maybe the same size. It feels slightly larger, but it could be because of the window.
The big problem with this house is it's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, which is not the most desirable thing, especially in today's market. People are looking for that 3rd bedroom. But,
For a first-time buyer, single person, it could work.
or even a couple.
How much do you think it would take to bring this place back to life?
I think by the time we get done with it, we're gonna hit 50.
What are the comps like here?
So the comps are coming in at about $100 per square foot.
So right around 99 then? Would be
Yeah,
the sale price?
yeah.
I mean, we can't pay 35 for it.
I'll definitely shoot for 25. Like I said, it's been on the market for a while. Who wouldn't take 25
Yeah.
at this point? So
I think the big key on the design for such a small house is to make sure that we kind of keep it minimal to not overcrowd the spaces. So
And on the budget to keep it
minimalist
short,
on the
so, like,
budget,
yeah.
minimalist on the design.
Yeah.
we'll just call this one the minimalist
The
house.
minimalist
I like
house.
it.
We'll see how minimal it actually gets because Keith says a lot of stuff like, I'm gonna do this and that, and then at the end it just looks like a Keith house.
I don't do minimalist very
Yeah,
often.
I guess. Everything is coming apart so easily.
Thank goodness for us.
Jay worked her magic and got the seller down to $25,000 on the minimalist house.
Oh, they duct taped it on. Yeah, duct tape really is an amazing thing.
We're super motivated, so the first order of business is this awful kitchen.
Oh, these are so cute.
Don't keep those. That's disgusting.
They can be washed.
So this kitchen is pretty small.
We need to maximize every square inch of this tiny space. So we'll close off the porch door and move the windows so that we can build out a fridge, stove, and new run of cabinets. Then we'll move the sink to the opposite side of the room and surround it with lowers. The small rooms in the house call for a minimalist design to make it feel more spacious. Light wood, neutral colors, soft textures, and tone-on-tone design elements will be perfect for this space, but a struggle for me.
It's a nice sized bathroom for sure. What do you think about reconfiguring it?
Don't overcomplicate it.
Fine.
This is the minimalist house, remember? Keep it simple.
Failing before we even begin. Actually, a minimalist house might be my biggest challenge ever.
Show me what's going on here.
All right.
So is it first just skimming it?
Yeah, so you'll get like a big thick skim coat on the wall, right? The minimalist house has some really bad texture on the walls. It's obvious that over the years, a lot of people have patched texture, tried to match, failed miserably. So my idea was to use a technique called broom down. Gross. I actually love a broom down texture.
For a broom down, you literally just drag a broom from ceiling to floor over wet mud to create texture.
Problem with it
It's
is...
a bunch of junk, isn't it?
No, that rubs off.
Oh.
So all of that, once it dries, the little dingleberries will come right off. The fun thing about broom texture is it kind of reads like rice paper when it's finished, which is a very high-end finish. It's extremely expensive and very hard to put up. So if we can kind of mimic that same vibe, we'll paint a stark white, keep it very simple, but there'll still be just a little hint of detail as you look around. We're gonna put a crown at the top, it'll all be white, and it'll just look like a fun, fabulous rice paper texture.
You know, I was trying to go even lighter, but I knew that you wouldn't allow it.
That's too minimal.
It's like the subtlety would be too much for you to handle.
I can't deal with that much subtlety. Ready? We're ready. You better be drilling fast, because I am in no mood to hold this all day. Hey, you made it on the first try.
I usually love to use a very saturated color for the kitchen cabinets. It's a really fun area that you can add a bold pop, but in this case, sticking true to the minimalist form, I'm using a color on the cabinets that is very soft and kind of neutral.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Hello there.
Wow. Oh, that is much better, actually.
The open house is tomorrow, and of course, we're rushing to get it finished. Oh, I love this color. Today is all about curb appeal.
Yeah, I really like this color. I always like to make sure that we stand out on the block. Almost everything in Detroit is white or gray. So if you have a color that isn't that, it really stands out nice.
But for the interior design, we're staying true to the minimalist color palette.
You'll have to go around.
We bought this house for $25,000 and we went just over the rental budget at $52 grand. And we're listing it at $99,900.
Hello!
Come on in.
Welcome!
Hi, welcome to the open house. Come on in. Welcome, welcome.
Wow. Ooh.
Wow.
I
Right?
love this.
Feels like a dream. Feels like a dream.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
This is
amazing.
Keith's minimal house.
Okay. It's like warm and inviting still, like even though it's minimal. I love it. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
This is
wow.
beautiful.
I like the dining room. I like it a lot. It's real spacious.
I just got to have you for my own original.
Oh, it is
Wow.
so pretty.
Right?
Look at this.
Made such good use of the space.
Yes.
it's so pretty.
This bathroom
Babe,
is
look, you
like,
gotta-
whoa.
Hey!
Love how you keep the gold theme going throughout the house as well, too. I love the gold.
This flooring is nice
It's
too.
a mixture of marble and slate.
Okay. Yeah, that's a beautiful choice.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This is so nice,
This
right?
is so comfortable.
Oh,
I love that wall. That's so nice. Oh my gosh.